This is ExcelGuru. From this video onwards, I'm going to explain each and everything point to point because so many beginners are asking so many doubts after watching this video. For that reason, this video going to be a long. Okay, so be patient and watch till end and expecting views minimum to minimum 100 and likes your wish, but views should be minimum to minimum 100. This query by the same guy Gautam has sent to extract OTP from the complex values. See, OTP in one place in a sentence means okay, we can pick it out. If OTP in different places in sentences like beginning, middle of the sentence, and end of the sentence, or somewhere else, so how to pick up only the OTP from there? Okay, I'm going to share the screen and I will explain you each and everything. So be patient and watch till end. And if at all, if you have any more doubts, you can join my Telegram group mentioning in this video description. Here is the screen which I'm going to share with you guys. See, okay, I zoom a little bit for because some people are watching in Android. Okay, so this is the query. See, if OTP is in first place, okay, we can pick it out. Okay, if OTP in different places, how can you catch the particular? It may be a 6 digits or it may be a 4 digits. We doesn't know. Right. So we have to pick it up only the 6 digits. Okay, it is very, very complex. See, here some places hash also there. Here, see. Here 4 digits are there. Here 6 digits. OTP here. Again OTP here. Okay. Okay, I zoomed it. For that reason, you are not able to see whole sentence. Okay. OTP, see. Here. Here OTP is there, but yeah, see here. Right, here. Here OTP here, but OTP code is here. OTP here and OTP code is here. Okay. I think you are understanding. So what I'll do here, it's what you say, it's not a big complex formula. It's very easy. Just use a little bit of logic. Okay. What is the delimiter of a OTP or in a sentence? Okay. What is the delimiter? The delimiter is a space. We can easily see there is lot of spaces. Right. So what you have to do means, first of all, what I'll do, see, mid of substitute of, I'm adding space as a prefix for the value. Right. This is the logic. Okay. Now, as we know that old text is space, comma, and the new text I'm adding extra spaces of 255. Repeat is a function where it repeat the value that many times. It may be a space or it may be any value. Okay. If you type A instead of space in a repeat function, so A will repeat 255 times. If you want any value to repeat these many times, then it will repeat that many times. Example, if you want, I will show you. Is equal to repeat of A, comma, how many times I want to repeat this A? I will take 2 times. Though A will repeat 2 times here. Okay. If I say A should repeat 10 times, then it will repeat A 10 times. Okay. So what I'll do here, understood this, guys? Now, coming back to the formula, again I'll type mid of substitute of prefix space, because space is the delimiter in this value. adding this, right? Comma, and the old text space and new text I'm repeating space, comma, 255 times. That is maximum number of times in Excel. Okay, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now, starting number. See, what I'll do here, I type 1 into 255, comma, 255. That is maximum. So what it will do, it will pick up the first word in a sentence. Right, I'll show you. I'll press F9. It will show you the first word, that is use. Okay. If you type a 5 or 3 or 4, it will repeat fourth word. It will show us the fourth word. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is the fourth word, so it has to show 2. F9. Okay. Understood what I mean to say? So what I'll do, instead of in this, I need each and every character from a value. Each and every character from starting to end of this. See how I'll do. Row of indirect ampersand the length of this. Because I need each and every character from the sentence. See what I'll do here. I just highlight only this part. I will show you. It will show you one starting from 1. It will show starting from 1 to last number of what the value actually the last standard. D is the last. Because see, D is the last here. So it will become 1 to these many characters. See, I press F9. 76 characters are there. Totally 76 characters. So this is the logic. Okay, right? So what I'll do, I press F9. See, it will show all the values from starting to ending. Okay, separately, not in a club, it's separately. So what I'll do, including having extra spaces. I use trim function over there. So remove extra spaces. Okay, so it will show you like this. All right. Control Z. Now, here observe guys, number is in text format. The value is text. The value is text and the function which are used is text function. For that reason, this number is showing as a text. If double quotes are there, consider as a text. So what I'll do, I use a double negative to convert text numbers into numbers. It's a mathematical operator, only double negative 2 times. F9. So only number is visible, remaining are all value error. Okay, remaining are all value errors, only number is visible. Okay. Text number converted into a number. Got it. Now, what I do, I want to remove errors. Okay. If you find any error in this function, show me the blank. If you find any error, like value error, some A to Z, so many errors are there. We doesn't know. Maybe 5 or 6 or something. If you, if you find any sort of error, so show me the blank. This is blank string. Okay, I press F9 and all errors will convert to blank. Done. Now, what I use means I use a max function, only max or sum. See, sum, I can't use sum product here. Why? Because in this value, you can find other numbers also. Are you able to understand? Other numbers also, it will be there. Okay, so it will add those numbers. So I don't want like that. I want only the number which is having minimum 4 digits and maximum 6 digits. Okay, if you're having two types of numbers like OTP, date, time, each and everything, in next video I'll explain how to do that one. Okay, now here I will use a max function. That's it. enter. Control D. Got it? What I meant to say. Thank you, guys. And if at all, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in video description or in my Telegram group. You can join here. I'm sending the Telegram group link in this video description. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.